Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kia Rawat. Today I'm going to discuss about what is theft, robbery and extortion. So the word robbery, theft and extortions are generally interchangeably or misunderstood by another person. They are used to interchangeably in daily usage. However, going into the legality reveals that these words are distinct and renewed different punishments. So a closer look reveals that the difference among them, each of the word is separate from the opposite, or the idea is to pivotal or minor differences. The demarcation is often seen in accordance with the Indian Penal Code 1860. Firstly, there is a requirement to know theft and extortion as defined within the code. Now, robbery. Robbery judicial interpretation is robbery is defined in section 390 of the Indian Penal Code 1860. Robbery is either extortion or theft and is considered as the aggravated form of both. The essence of robbery is the presence of imminent fact or violence. The section or actions deals with the both the cases, that is when theft is robbery and when extortion is robbery. Now, when theft is robbery, conditions when theft is robbery are when someone voluntarily causes or attempts to cause to a person. Number 2, death or hurt or wrongful constraint. Then for fear of death or instant hurt or instant wrongful restraint, then the above acts must be finished by the subsequent ends. To the committing or theft, to the committing of theft, or in committing theft, or in carrying any way or attempting to hold away property obtained by theft. So this is the condition when theft is robbery. Now I'll tell you when extortion is robbery. So extortion is robbery if the next conditions are fulfilled. Number 1, when an individual commits extortion by putting another person in the fear of instant death or instant hurt or instant wrongful restraint thereto person to another person, and such an individual by so putting another in fear induces the person to put in fear than and there to deliver up the thing extortion, and the offender at the time of committing extortion is within the presence of the person put in fear. Basically, what is extortion is, for example, you just kidnap one person and just on a phone call you just give the condition that I will release the person only if you will give me so and so amount. So that is the part of extortion only. This is comes under the extortion definition as per Indian Penal Code. So now I'll come to the conclusion part. Conclusion says the opening word of section 390 IPC indicates that there is no robbery if there is theft. There is no robbery if there is no theft. There is no theft or extortion. Theft or extortion or attempting to commit any of those two in an inevitable part of the robbery. Theft is robbery if to facilitate theft or to plan or seize transferred property, the perpetrator voluntarily causes to attempt or cause death, injury or misconduct or fear of immediate death, immediate injury or misconduct. I hope you are clear with what is theft, robbery and extortion. Still, if you have any doubt, do post your comment in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts and queries. I'll see you super soon in my next video with some other topic. Till then, take care of yourself.